guys, so today is August 1. So happy August. I hope that all of you will have a great month ahead. Many people will be starting their classes just like me. I start mine August 10. I am so not excited about that. But anyways, today's vlog is gonna be kind of like a day in my life. I don't really know what to call this vlog. So if you guys have seen my empty house tour, which I uploaded nung start ng quarantine, so probably 4 months ago, you saw na pinagawa namin yung house because parang naluma na siya because wala nga nakatira. So finally, we're gonna move in there naman and make use of the house. So today is kind of like a moving day pero not entirely. Parang we just brought some of the big furniture there. So I decided to vlog just to show you guys the process and all that kasi alam ko may mga binago sa house para makita nyo rin. And also I'm gonna be bringing some of the furniture I ordered online and other like spare room decor here in my room. Anyways, also excuse my hair kasi bagong ligo pala ako. I am running late. I'm gonna go there na and I'll update you guys once I get there. Update you guys. We're now here in our townhouse. I ate lang sa house ng lola ko because I still haven't eaten anything. And pagdating ko, wala pa yung mga tao with the furniture from the other house. So I called my dad. Sabi niya he's gonna go here to check. No, he's gonna go to the other house muna, then go here. So I think they're disassembling yung mga bed ko pa and stuff kasi hindi siya kasha through the door. Like you have to disassemble it. So I'll show you guys an update of the house. So if you guys haven't seen my empty house tour, you guys can check that out. I'll leave the link down below so you guys could see the difference. So first is my light na dito sa my living room area. Yan. And then, yung curtain, same lang yan sa other house last time. Then, the TV is still the same. Tapos, yung light dito sa dining area, iibahin. So, I think, aangatin pa yan. Or, kung ganyan talaga. I don't think it's ganyan kababa. Yung aircon, last time pa yan dyan. Ito, may parang green snapper, guys. Fake lang yan. So, tingnan natin. It looks like this. Yan. Tapos, we're planning to put the parrots here, dyan. Both sides, since dalawa naman yung cage. Then, sa kitchen, inaba na yung fan. So, mas maganda yung fan. Parang wood yung itsura niya. Last time kasi plain white lang. Ito yung dating light sa may dining. However, ilalagay na lang ata to sa taas. Tapos, ito, same lang yung mga magnets from Hard Rock from different countries that I've been to and my dad has been to. Tapos, ito, I don't know if you guys have seen this, kung dito na ba to last time, not quite sure. But yan, ang ganda ng tiles. It's really nice. And same lang naman ata here. Yeah, same lang here. Okay, so now let's go up naman to the second floor kasi meron rin mga iniba, pero minimal lang. So, starting off with the wall, nilagyan na siya ng wallpaper the other day, but I wasn't here. So, it looks like this. Yan, up close yung wall. Tapos yung door ng dad ko and yung door ko, white na sila. Then for my room, I told Tito Ding to paint it light gray. Pero di ko ma-determine if it's light gray or white. I mean, it kind of looks light gray, but I'm not quite sure. I still have to confirm it with him. And then yung aircon, dyan na yan last time. Ito, puro mga bed sheets to. So since nakalock yung door sa taas, dito muna nilagay. I have some room decor I ordered online, so I'll do a haul really soon kasi di pa sila complete. Then my mini walk-in closet looks like that. This is my outfit, the BTK shirt, shorts, and pants. Then my design sa likod yung shirt ko, if you guys can see that. Anyways, I also have some more room decor from my old room. I mean, my other room in my mom's house. Tapos dinala ko siya here para magamit. And wala, same lang naman. Yeah, just all the same. And then my bathroom's door is white na rin. Then when you go in, looks like that. I finally have a shower curtain rod, so I just need to look for a shower curtain. And ito yung CR ko. I think iniba yung light. I'm not quite sure. Pero may last time. Di ko kasi type. Parang ang weird. Baka patanggal ko yan. I don't know. But ito yung bathroom ko. Inaba na to finally. It's white na. Tapos dati yung old na tiles dito, parang may bata. So, iniba na rin siya. And ano pa ba? Binuo na nila dito yung tiles. So, half. Yan. It's my bathroom. And in fairness guys, parang okay yung lighting dito. I can do my skincare routine here. Video because you guys have been requesting me to do skincare routine. Oh my gosh, pawis na ako. Ang init kasi. Anyways, let's go upstairs naman sa 3rd floor kasi nilagyan yun ng wallpaper. And I'll show it to you guys kasi nakita ko siya kanina. And it looks okay naman. Nagulat ako kasi my dad said, we won't pa-interior this house na kasi hindi naman kami titira dito. Tapos biglang, we'll stay here na lang daw. So, pinayos na. Here's the wall na sticker siya. Ang ganda siya. It's nice. Tapos ito, pinaint siya. Kasi dati plain white lang. Pinaint yun yan. The walls dito, the doors here, still brown. Brown pa rin. Pero nakalock sila eh. There, nakalock. Tapos tong couches, papa-reupholster ata yun kasi super tagal na yan. And then, ito yung parang ceiling fan. It's really nice actually. I don't know what we're gonna do in this floor, pero parang living room din ata. Then, I think this room is nakalock. Nakabukas. Pero, wala naman ata pinagbago here. Yeah, it's just the same. So, we're back in the 2nd floor. And I almost forgot to mention, may aircon na pala kami here. So, pwede na mag-Netflix here. Di na mainit. Grabe yung pawis ko, guys. Sorry, I look so haggard. Anyways, let's go to my room because I want to share with you guys my plans for this room. So, I want to make the theme out of my comfort zone. So, I might make it, I'm gonna make it like a bohemian chic kind of vibe. So, more on the neutrals, tapos pop of colors, ganun. So, I ordered some decor na online. Actually, everything in my room sa other house, dadalhin lang here. So, we'll just wait for the tao kasi nagbabaklas pa ata sila. And, I'm gonna go down muna kasi mas mahangin sa labas. Sobrang pinapawisan ako, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go out. Baba na tayo guys kasi ang init. I'll just update you guys pag dumating na yung dad ko, yung mga tao. Update guys, so dumating na yung stuff. Nandiyan na yung ibang stuff ng room ko. And yung designer is here and my dad to help us out. Kaya nakamask na ako. So, yan. Everyone's bringing the stuff. Update, guys. So, super pawis na ako. I wasn't really able to vlog that much because it's so busy here. But this is my room. Sinat up na nila yung bed and my furniture. Tapos yung table ko. Meron to dati. Parang pag ganyan here. Ito. Pero hindi ko muna pinalagay. So, ito yung mga stuff ko, bed sheets. These bed sheets aren't for my room. Ate's here. Ate, can you say hi? So, she's helping me out. We'll be bringing these stuff there muna. Tapos, rearrange ko na yung bed and stuff ko. So, we just finished rearranging my room. This is how it currently looks like. I'm still gonna be arranging it pa. And all my mess are there, so we'll fix it some other time because I'm so exhausted. As in, I don't think I was able to show you guys an update with the house, but here's my dad. He just said hi now. So we're going home now. Yay! So I'm just here to end the vlog. That's why I'm using my phone kasi tamad na ako maggamit ng camera and all that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. This is like a move-in in or like house update, something like that. Don't worry, I'm gonna be vlogging the process of my room makeover. Yung room makeover video ko dito sa house ng mom ko. Na-enjoy niyo yun. So I'm definitely gonna be vlogging another one for my room naman in my dad's house. So yeah, daming room. But anyways, I'm also gonna be doing a room decor haul soon. Just stay tuned guys. If you have any video requests, leave it in the comments down below and I'll try my best to make it. As in, the past few days. This week, I've been filming talaga kasi I'm really trying to stock up on videos because classes are about to start, as I mentioned at the start of this video. But yeah, ang haba na ng sabi ko mag-outro na ako. Just give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy and subscribe down below to be part of the Lexinator staff to get updated and notified every time I post a new video. Also, I think we're about 3,000 subscribers away till we hit our 100k goal. So I hope you guys help me out. Share my channel if you guys enjoy my videos kasi baka ma-enjoy rin ng friends or family nyo. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Good night and I'll see you guys in my next video or next vlog. Bye!